This is just a quick video showing you what it's like at Siamese Cookery House in Bangkok. As you can see, we all sat around chopping vegetables, ready to cook our meals. On this particular day, we learnt to cook pad thai, tom yum goong, Penang curry and mango sticky rice.
So now this is lemongrass. So can you smell please? Lemongrass, you have lemongrass, galanga, Thai ginger, kaffir lami leaf. Key ingredient for tom yum. Keyword brings aroma for tom yum.
Our host was called Gung. She was really energetic, really funny, and she was great to get along with. She has some great recipes, and we had a lot of fun on this course. So the price of the evening cookery class was around 900 baht, which is about £22. And yeah, it was definitely worthwhile. I would definitely recommend this to anybody visiting Bangkok.
Spicy.
Only did half. And we didn't even do a full one over here.
So here we take our chopped up vegetables over to our woks, where we begin to cook our meals. In this particular one, we're cooking tom yum goong first.
Anyone else? And then make fire, everyone, fire! On next, please. 9 o'clock. Maximum is 9 o'clock, sir. Thank you very much. 9 o'clock is maximum. Thai food, we never use chicken broth. No oil, no pig, nothing. Just plain water. That's simple. But only restaurant style use chicken broth or pig broth.
Does that give a little bit extra?
Bit of flavor. Yes, MSG. You know,
Oh, yeah.
MSG.
The monosodium getting out.
That's why so yummy. Spicy chilies inside, please.
Mushroom and chili?
Yes, please. And half of tomato, please. And tomato also. And now let it boiling. Let it boiling easy. Yeah, and chili. Now it's boiling, everybody, let it boil. You want to make photo? Give me iPhone 12. They have phone, give me your phone, I help you. Please. Hong team, together.
Turn right.
Smells so good.
10 minutes. Just sat there. And they let everyone else go because you
Yes, beautiful now. Okay, same.
See.
This one tom yum chicken.
Just made what? I don't believe a word of it. You just nicked that from around the corner. You have.
Everyone enjoy.
After cooking each course, we sit down at the table where we all enjoy the meals that we've cooked for ourselves.
Sorry. Yeah, like this, see, little bit. Then salt. Salt,
Here we're cooking the mango and sticky rice.
Some salt.
Okay.
And then coconut. What? Some salt. Right? A little bit sugar and some salt. And then I want coconut, the one we made earlier, right?
Yeah.
We need the cream. Coconut cream where on the top is a cream. See the cream is always the milk. On top thick. We scoop up the cream first. When you buy in supermarket, before you check the box, on top is a cream.
Thick
on top. Smell like panda with N, pandan. And you can call Asian vanilla. You know vanilla, right?
Yeah.
Thailand no vanilla, and we are using this one like you do with vanilla.
Okay.
So we have no vanilla. You smell it, pass around.